So the topic what look today, e-commerce. So I am Madan Kumar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, PG and Research Department of Commerce, CPA College, Bodinayakanur. E-commerce. So which means here's uh, e-commerce, electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services through electronic network like internet. E-business is a broad term which includes a internal and external transaction of organization across the internet. So e-commerce models, so which means here's it's have a lot of models in business model in e-commerce. So first we discuss about business to consumer, B2B, which means here's a B2C model. So under this model, a business concern sales directly to customers. So for examples, so in village, the milk vendor sell the milk to customer in directly on morning and evening. A business to business. So under this model, a business concern transact with one another through internet. So for examples, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Alibaba, so Amazon, that kind of internet or commerce platform, e-sellers, um, business sell to another business. So that product sell to another uh, business. Okay, so this is a second model of e-commerce, B2B, business to business. So another model, C2B, which means here customer to business. This models revise the uh, action of model. Production like automobile, uh, electrical items, furnitures, and similar product are traded by customer through websites. So for example, if you have a second or any uh, you don't use in any product in your home or office, you take the snap and upload the website, um, you fix the price to that product and sell to the online. So this is a customer to business. So for examples, notkuri.com or monster.com are examples of Indian companies operating in this domain. So another business model, B2G. So which means here business to uh, government. So if any business or a business concern a service or product sell to the government. So for examples, nowadays all passport office process done through the TCS companies. So if you go to the passport office, uh, if take a passport, done through the all operations doing the TCS companies. Okay, so this is a business to government. So all things e-commerce model. So now we discuss about pros of e-commerce, which means here's the advantage of e-commerce. It is generally reduce the price. You can shop anywhere in the world, easy access 24 a day, 24 hours a day, wide selection to take care for all, consume faster buying process, store and product listening, uh, creation, cost reduction, uh, affordability, advertising and marketing, flexibility of customers, no reach limitations, product and price comparison, faster response to buyer market demand. So these are all things generally advantage of e-commerce, which means here's now discuss about what are the advantage of customers to e-commerce. So what are the advantages of customers enjoy in e-commerce? So wide range of product and services. Electronic uh, commerce through internet enable the customers to choose a product or services of their choose from any vendor anywhere in the world. Due to space constraints, a vendor can stock only a minimum amount of goods in the physical store. A virtual store enable a business concern to stock a lot of goods without consideration the inventory cost. So hence a business also provide a lot of choice to consumers to choose the product of his and her choice. So next, convenience. Customers can be buy any product from anywhere in the world without moving away from your workplace or home through the internet. So nowadays, pandemic period, which kind of swapping? So e-shoppings nowadays done through the internet or which help of the e-commerce. Okay. So next, save the money. The cost incurred by the business on the middleman generally falls on the consumers, since the middleman are eliminated, the customers is free from bargaining the cost of the middleman. To attract customers and to comport competitor, several business organization offered business and services at a cheaper price. A certain goods like e-books, music, audio clips, softwares can be purchased and delivered through internet. It saves cost for the buyers and also save the time. Time saving is all one of the premium benefit of online shopping. Money taken, time taken for selection, buying and paying for an online product may not take more than 15 minutes. The product are delivered to customers doorstep within a week. To save the delivery time for the buyer, adequacy informations, the internet is the use as the main vehicle to conduct transaction in e-business. Internet also customers to search for product information, compare the price and benefits, and finally evaluate its value before competing purchases. Through internet, customers can get the queries cleared and track the delivery states when the product being sent to them. If a doubt arises while handling the product, the customers can be easily conduct the business through internet. Then next, so what are the advantage of e-commerce to business? Decrease in cost, effective customer services, increase in revenue, and uh, transaction efficiency. Finally, effective information management. Then disadvantages or cons of e-commerce: lack of privacy, product suitability, uh, then cultural obstacles, technical limitations, huge technical cost, legal issues, and higher labor cost, securities. These all things cons of e-commerce. Thank you so much.